Hi, this is Deepa from Olivia Draj. Today we are going to make our famous hair oil with onion. Onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps to production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Take medium size of an onion. Chop the onion and add it to a blender. Blend the chopped onion without adding any water until it turns into a paste. Avoid using too much onion because it might end up irritating your scalp. Take a saucepan and pour the onion paste and 250 ml of coconut oil to it. Turn on the gas and place the pan with the mixture. Let it boil. After getting the first boil, reduce the heat. Simmer it until oil remains. Stir the mixture frequently. After that, remove the pan from heat. Set this mixture aside for a whole night. This will ensure that all the ingredients get mixed together. In the morning, strain this mixture using a sieve or cheesecloth. Now our onion oil is ready to use. This step is optional. Add in few drops of essential oil to mask the smell of onions. If you are suffering from thinning hairline and dandruff, try to use these remedies regularly to see good results. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me and this channel, thank you.